21, 22, 404, 814. For the mini car, pitman race. We got a checkered flag to the winner. The mini car pitman race winner, the driver number 221. Our push truck tonight brought to you by Rusty Rides Auto Sales. Make sure you check out their booth that's set up tonight, as well as the Fingers Duke stand. Take care of all of our t-shirts this year. We need timers to the tower. Timers to the tower, please. It is getting ready for tonight's main event. Once again, let's hear for your winner, number 221. sponsor again, PNW Plumbing and Drain, as well as this season's banner sponsors, American Northwest Recycling, Jacob Parts, Star Metals, Imperial Truck and RV, Belpair Hose and Hydraulic, Napa West Bay Auto Parts, Destination Harley Davidson, Scouting America, Central Welding Supply, Poe Construction, gets that OMS, Figures Duke, Synergy Welding, Ganatini, Horseshoe Auto Wrecking, ACI, Active Construction Inc.,